As you all know, we are riding the AI hype wave, and there are tons of AI code generators out there. But today, let's talk about V0 by Vercel, the tool that makes every backend developer wet in his pants, including me. V0 is excellent at creating UI, making it perfect for prototyping or for those who, like me, suck at UI and UX for their projects. It builds components with React, ShadCN, and Tailwind CSS, which means you get clean, production-ready code. It's also a solid choice for quickly creating well-designed landing pages. All people who think that AI will take away programmers' jobs will be shocked. But V0 won't build you an Instagram app from just one comment. And unlike ChatGPT or AI-powered IDEs, it won't deeply explain the code for you. The free tier lets you create up to 5 projects, which is enough for me. I start in V0, grab the code, and modify it locally. So let's check this out. V0 looks similar to ChatGPT. You chat with it and you can see your chats on the left, but this time it generates actual code. You can preview it, tweak it live, and even check the logs. Let's do some magic. Ever seen the Chrome Dinosaur game when you were offline? Let's recreate it in seconds using V0. First, let's find a simple description of the app. Then, just copy it to V0, and boom, code appears in seconds. Click Preview to see it in action. Want to tweak it? Just edit and refine. Finally, click Download to save it and modify it locally. That's it. Super fast, super easy. Try it out and let me know what do you think.